This is Pat Richter with Sun Tran. We know that our passengers and drivers are concerned about COVID-19, and so are we. At the start of the pandemic, Sun Tran implemented many health and safety practices that meet or exceed what other agencies across the country are doing.
For the safety of our drivers, all non-ADA passengers board using the rear door. Yellow ropes are placed to maintain a 6-foot distance between passengers and drivers. All trips are fare-free. Drivers are provided masks, gloves, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant to ensure their work area is safe. For the safety of all passengers, buses are cleaned nightly with an industrial-grade disinfectant. All regular route trips continue as scheduled. And we've launched the new bus tracker and trip planner to show you how full each bus is before you board.
Like you, we look forward to getting back to some sense of normalcy in our lives. But until then, Sun Tran will continue to take these steps for your health and safety.